Hey guys, it's AllycatlovesAG, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some summer hairstyle ideas. This is a collab with BasicallyAGDolls. Her channel and video will be in the description down below. In this video, you'll see two of my hairstyles and one of hers, and on her channel, you'll see two of her other hairstyles and one of mine that is not in this video. So last week you guys saw outfits, and now you'll see hairstyles to get your doll's summer wardrobe all complete. And I know some of you guys are starting school soon, but for me, summer is only halfway done, so I've still got some time to get in the summer mood, and summer doesn't officially end until September 21st. So this first hairstyle that I am doing on Raylan is this really pretty two Dutch braids into a bun. I've seen a lot of people do this for dance, but I think it's a really pretty casual summer hairstyle that looks kind of fancy and elegant and gets your hair off of your neck. So what you will be needing is a wire wig brush, some clear hair ties, a spray bottle, some bobby pins, and I'm actually using a hairnet that actually came with Raylan. So if you guys keep any of your AG hairnets, those are perfect. However, you can find just regular bun nets at the dollar store. They're just a lot easier to keep the hair under control. However, you can just use pins to make a bun. So you're going to start out by spraying your doll's hair and then brushing it from the bottom to the top to remove all of the tangles. Then, starting on one side of her scalp, you are going to do a regular Dutch braid. You can do a French braid or a regular braid too, it's up to you. Then you're just going to braid that all the way down and tie it off. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then take an elastic and tie the two braids together. You can remove the bottom hair ties and then use your fingers to just detangle the braids. And then you are going to wrap it into a little bun and stick a pin in there. Then take your hairnet and wrap it around the bun. Just look up tutorials on how to do a ballet bun or see what I'm doing. And then you're just going to use some pins to secure it. I only used around 4 pins in her hair. So that's the style, and I think it's really cute, and it can be used for fancy occasions or casual, and it's just really pretty. And it's honestly my favorite hairstyle from this video.
Hello everyone, I'm BasicallyAGDolls or Rachel, and today I'm showing you how to do this French braid bun thing featuring Sage. To start, you're going to want her natural hair, so just this crazy mess. And you're going to want to spray a little bit of water towards the end so it's not as hard to deal with. So now that there's water in it, you're just going to take a tiny section from right here, about midway to her ear, and you're going to want to have it enough to where it can wrap around the back of her head like a Katniss braid. You're going to split it into 3 sections and pretty much just French braid it all the way around and keep braiding until you get to the very bottom. So now once the braid is done, it should look crazy, but make sure you loosen it so it looks a little bit more natural. Just kind of pancake the braid. So once you get the braid, you're going to part all the hair the way that the braid is going. So if, like this, it's going to the left. So you're going to gather all the hair into the left, and you're basically just going to twist it into a bun, and that's literally it. Now, if you want to leave the hair tie in, that's totally optional. I personally like to leave it in because you can't really see it once the bun is formed. So you're just going to twist it one way and just kind of create the little bun here. Once you have the bun kind of formed, you're going to take your elastic and just tie it off, and that's it.
The final hairstyle in this video is one that I'm doing for dolls with straight or layered hair. In particular, dolls with layered and straight hair. You can't really get as many fancy braids in and stuff like that, so this is just a little simple hairstyle I like to do to get my doll's hair out of the way. You'll need a brush, elastics are optional, and a spray bottle, as well as a clip. I'm just using this mini purple butterfly clip. You're going to start out by brushing out the hair, and then taking a little section right by her part at the front of her face and twisting it back and holding that in place. Then with another section, you are going to be braiding it. And then just connect the two with a clip and style it how you like, and you have this super cute hairstyle that just gets those little front pieces out of your face, and it's just really cute and perfect for summer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to check out Rachel's channel and video. Those will be linked in the I button as well as in the description. Comment down below which hairstyle from this video was your favorite. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys came from Rachel's video, thank you for watching my video, and maybe you could browse around some of my other content and consider subscribing. Have an amazing summer day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
There's a fire burning fire brigade. So tonight we are losing this fight. Oh, help our souls tonight. Is no one on our side who's gonna help our souls tonight. No one here to help our souls tonight. It's on me, it's on you.